Hi guys, so Freedom Street concert is tonight, Tuesday night at 10 p.m. sharp, National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. So check out these clips from the sound check from earlier today, guys. So Vybz Kartel, JAH VINCI, SPICE, they were at National Stadium earlier today, Tuesday, December 31st, for mic check. Right, so as you're gonna hear in the video, DJ CHROME is gonna be playing Vybz Kartel music. Yeah, so check out these clips, guys. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Today is the last day, guys, of 2024, and it's gonna be a blast later on tonight. And big up to Adija Palmer, Vybz Kartel. Big up to Spice. Big up to everybody who's gonna be performing tonight, New Year's Eve in Jamaica. Yeah, guys, make sure you check out my previous videos about the concert leading up for tonight. But check out these from the sound check earlier today. Vybz Kartel and Spice. Them sound just like how them sound from back then up until now. So big them up. I can't wait for tonight, guys. But check out these clips. Yeah. Sound check. Freedom Streets.
What? Yo.
Alright, go on now.
Check one.
Then I see them. Go on live now. Go on, go live.
What?
Kill them half and down. See some half and down. Gunshot chop half and down. Mobile roll, you want to see our soul. Lay down by the fucking ground. Talk them up. Damn, should I remember? The 6 months again. Heard a boy and I did it good at it. Yeah, yo. Turn them the rhythm slightly, bro. Yeah, TJ, the rhythm is slightly turned down. Slightly. Yo. They want to get something they might try. Walk on the main flank or something you are right. Let you move them and what they might try. The eagle and the boy they must say. The bull and himself and then a butterfly. But me they quite survive. JAH VINCI, they got this from me a little boy. 666, any guy. Shoulder cuff, one more spice.
Yeah, show the people them want to go on, man. Show them the that. All who like spicy spice, eh? Yeah. See the queen of the dancehall, eh? Char Black Beauty. Raw Spice is here, cause the boss is here.
Yeah, man. Put it on the left.
Me nipple them a right, send it up in a me try.
Pity appetite. Get a bite.
Me man a fi go see me and him a fi go fight. I be a fi wipe on the cocky like this.
Like you not seen a highways.
Where me a figure from? You a pull up.
Pull up that blood clot.
So me a fuck up already. I feel like the black singing up, cause me used to be singing. Now the man is here. So we have to stop the feel part.
I'll be ready again.
Yeah. Be happy white pack.
That Spice love money. No bands, the boss. Look like you not use the bands, man. Bands, you not use the bands.
No,
Nah, man, you not use the bands. think that. No man, I think that. And my boy they got blame song them. Chrome, DJ Chrome and blame song them.
My match be gone. Be a set around one day. Me feel like me a gone.
Now let you go, so don't let me know. My two phone a ring and me nah answer.
What it?
The wife on the cocky like this, spin me like a satellite dish.
Kill with you. Spice and
You are my mister, you are my man. Kill me with the cocky.
So why them tell them off on the TV? What the bomb buckler is?
So I can't stop fucking you. Cocky no play. We broke your back.
Share the line, baby, share the line.
2 times, I'll pop your car.
We will make a run out.
You charge your phone. Your phone, they are 5% blood. Oh, buckler. Shower people that run there, me ask for charger.
Pull up.
Yeah, no, yeah, the people that want them to bother me, I have a charge before it be. That a charger, you charge slow, man. 5%.
I'm out.
The boss them out there. Just.
Paper history later, you see me I say Freedom Street. Yeah man, I remember show time I start 10 o'clock sharp. Show time I start 10 o'clock. But this under my nose.